Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download all songs in your Apple Music library on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the Library tab at the bottom of the screen to see all your music. In the Library, tap Songs. Here you will see a list of every song in your Apple Music library, playlist, albums, and individual tracks. At the top of the screen, look for the download icon, a cloud with a downward arrow. If you don't see it on the main screen, tap the edit or menu in a playlist or album, then select download. This will start downloading all songs in your library to your iPhone. Once you tap download, your songs will start saving to your device. You can check that progress by looking for the small circle icon next to each song. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data, especially if you have a lot of songs. After the download is complete, your songs are available offline. You can enjoy your music anywhere even without an internet connection. And that's it. That's how you download all songs in your Apple Music library. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.